Websites with AI chatbots see 35% more conversions and 50% fewer support tickets. You can set one up in 10 minutes flat. Here's exactly how. Chatbase, VoiceFlow, and BotPress are the top 3 options in 2026. Chatbase is easiest for beginners, VoiceFlow for complex flows, and BotPress for developers. Upload your website URL, FAQ documents, and knowledge base. The AI crawls everything and builds a custom model that answers questions in your brand voice. Adjust the chatbot's personality, set fallback responses, and add lead capture forms. Then copy one line of JavaScript to your website, and it's live. Full screen recording building a chatbot from scratch in Chatbase, training on a real website, customizing the design, and deploying it live in under 10 minutes. Try building your own chatbot. Chatbase link in the description with a free trial. Subscribe for the advanced chatbot optimization tutorial next week.